Hi everyone, today we're making Daleem. People usually call it haleem, but its real name is Daleem. So let's get started. I've soaked 2 cups of pounded wheat and a cup of barley overnight. In a separate bowl, I've also soaked 1 cup of mixed lentils and 2 tablespoons of rice for at least an hour before the cooking. Now grind the soaked wheat and barley and place it on medium flame, and to it I will add some salt to taste. Now we're going to cook the korma. For it, I'm going to heat half a cup of oil, and to it we have added 2 medium-sized thinly sliced onions, 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 1 tablespoon of whole garam masala, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we're also gonna add salt to taste. Now we're gonna add 500 grams of beef, also add 200 grams of yogurt, now also add 3 to 4 bay leaves, and now braise this meat mixture on slow flame till it's very tender. Now remove the meat from the gravy and mash the meat. We have also made some stock from the bones. We're going to stir the stock and the bones in the wheat mixture. Then we're going to grind the mixed lentils to make a thick paste. And then we're going to add it into the wheat mixture. Now we will add the gravy into the wheat mixture. Now we will mash the meat with the help of a fork or a blender, and then we're gonna add it into the pot, mixing it well. Now remove the bones and discard them. Cook the mixture for an hour on slow flame. You can either use an electric blender or a hand blender. I am using an electric blender. Daleem requires well blending, so be sure to blend it very well. Daleem is ready now. Garnish it with fried onion, ginger slices, mint leaves, green chilies, and lemon slices. Keep a little of the seasoning separate and serve it with daleem. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.